What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the turning signal bulb for your Mark 5 Volkswagen GTI. All you're going to need is the light bulb, the ratchet with the 10mm socket. I'm going to use this because it's going to make it a lot easier, and a flathead screwdriver. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to pull this back, and then this, and then that way you can get to the 10mm bulbs and pull back the connection. First, you're gonna get the screwdriver and pop this back, and that way it's disconnected. Now you're gonna go ahead and get your socket on your wrench, and then you're gonna put it on the bolt. After you get out the first bulb, then you take out the second one, and then the whole assembly should just pop right out. Now all you do is just wiggle and pull it out, just like that. All you're gonna have to do is take these 3 tabs out. While you're taking them out, be very careful not to break them. You just gotta pull and wiggle, make sure they all come out. Once they come out, after you take out the 3 tabs, it should just pop right out. And then to take these out, all you have to do is push down and twist, and they should come right out. And then you can just put in the new ones. Just push down and twist the other way. Once you get the bulbs installed, you just push it back in. Make sure all the tabs click. Be very careful not to break them. And then now you can just install this back into the car. Once you put it back in, you're gonna want to put in the 2 10mm bolts, and then you want to plug this back in. Once you tighten everything, all you have to do is push the carpet back in, and you're done. And this is the end result.